Today we are going to work on 2013 Chevy Malibu 2.4 hybrid. Generator or alternator replacement. This is the one that I got it from LKQ. This is the original came out of the vehicle. It was making like kind of whining noise, so we went ahead and replaced that. So in order to do that, take the box, air box here out. This is the upper radiator hose connected from here, and just disconnect it, put it out of the way. And there is couple hoses, the coolant hoses, you need to take them out. This is the connector for the hybrid, 3 nuts 10mm and 3 bolts 10mm here. Take that out. You have 113 here, 15, 113 here, and you have 2 more 15mm here. You need to take that off. So in my case, the tensioner is bad, it was seized up. So you need to, I'm gonna go ahead and replace the tensioner. And then before all this stuff, as I always mention, don't forget to disconnect the battery. Try to catch the coolant so you can, reuse it, or you can put the new one, whatever. So, and that's it. That was pretty quick out on that generator or alternator hybrid replacement on 2013 Chevy Malibu 2.4 hybrid. All right, that's it.